Okay, so titignan natin kung malapit na ba yung salary increase. So nagtingin ako ng mga websites. So President Marcos approved salary increase for government employees ayon to sa Department of DBM or Budget and Management. Pataas sa sahod ng mga empleyado sa gobyerno. Of course, ano to para sa lahat ng government employees to eh. So, ayon sa DBM, recommendation to increase salary of government employees. Mayroon din po tayong pipintong aumento sa sweldo. Makukuha din sila dapat sa tranche. Naglaan po tayo ng pondo para sa simula ng taong ito at sa mga susunod na taon pa, sabi ng presidente. All tranches include corresponding salary rates for each salary grade and step increment. The Office of the President is set to issue an executive order detailing the said increase. In preparation for the DBM led by Secretary Mina F. Pangandaman allocated 36 billion for personnel services expenditures under the fiscal year 2024 General Appropriations Act or GAA or GAA. Additional of a total 70 billion has been allotted in 2025 National Expenditure Program to ensure implementation of the first and second tranches of the salary increase. Our civil servants are a backbone of our nation and its priority for maintaining compensation system. Secretary Mina. So, salary increase, government workers expected to benefit 167,007 subpro 1,170,647 professionals such as teachers, lawyers, and 22,640 personnel in executive function. So, prior to the BM Governance Commission, GOCC conducted study to serve as base for improving the salaries benefits of government employees towards achieving competitive, financially sustainable, equitable compensation system. Okay? So, approved na to eh. Nabalita na to ng DBM eh. So, hindi na to talaga. Doon naman tayo sa PhilStar. So, Tino, however, said the group does not suppose salary increase under the planned SSL 6 to be substantial. The clear message here is even there is a SSL 6, it still cannot meet. We have calling for 50,000 entry level salary for teacher 1 and 33,000 salary for grade 1 education employees. So, fight for 50,000. Ito yung, I don't know if Tino is on ACT. Yan. Alam ko ACT to si Tino eh. Pero, I really appreciate what she's doing up for the teachers. So, Manila, Philippines, newly appointed Secretary Juan Egardo Sani Angara said he's confident the salaries of teachers will be significantly increased under Marcos administration. Okay. So, yes, increase in salary, constant need for our teachers. I know the Department of Budget and Management is studying it, and so it is only a question of how much and when, but definitely will increase. Angara said during an interview with reporters at Malacanang. So, ang problema lang talaga sa salary increase ng teachers, tayo yung may pinakamaraming part ng government and teachers. So, we're about a million. I think it's running a million na siguro kasi as time goes by, yung pinaka last check ko is halos 1 million pa lang eh. Siguro lagpas sa 1 million to. So, it's really hard for the government to increase our salaries. Like sabi, tingin na 50,000. Entry-level teacher. So, confident naman si Angara na may bigyan tayo ng salary increase. So, there will be a salary increase of SSL 6. This will be retroactive implemented in January 2024. A total estimated budget 40 million ACT teachers party list chairman Pino. Ito nga sa ACT nga si Pino. Yan. So, ito yung pinopropose ng ACT. So, 50,000 entry level, 33,000 monthly salary for grade 1 education employees, 30,000 monthly salary for grade 16 under those instructor 1 classification. Ayan. So, hindi natin alam kung gaano kalaki yung increase, pero ito yung pinupursue na aking TDC. Earlier lamented existing salary scheme under Republic Act 11466 or SSL 5 enacted during the term of former President Rodrigo Duterte. Dito yung halos field is substantially compensated public teachers, public school teachers, especially those in lower positions. SSL 5 raised the basic entry of the public teachers to 27,000. Through past implementation, the 2020 to 2023, the SSLV or 5 places teacher salary grade 11, the lowest among government of professionals. Ito, let's go with this one. So ito na yung according to Philippine Public Teachers, Philippine Go Salary Compensation 2024 Comprehensive Guide, Public Teacher Salary Grade 2024. If you're curious, so what's inside, tingnan natin na lang yung public teacher salary. So, magsimula tayo dun sa 2019 sa grade teacher 1 salary. So, meron tayong 2754, teacher 2 is 22, teacher 3 is 25,232. Pagdating ng 2023, yung last tranche, ito yung SSL 5 na part nung kay Duterte, President Duterte. Naging 2022, 316, then 424, 495, teacher 3 is 26. Pagdating na second tranche, naging 23, 26 dun sa teacher 2, then 28 dun sa teacher 3. Naging 25, 439, naging 27, then naging 29. For the last tranche, ito na yung pinakahuli sa 2023 last tranche kay President Duterte. Yung teacher 1 will have 27,000, teacher 2 will have 29, and teacher 3 will have 31,320 to 320 pesos. So in the Philippines, teacher 1 will salary of grade 11 will receive 27,000 both 2023 and 2024. Following this, teacher 2 is set to earn 29 pinistern period. So ito naman yung sa master teachers. 40 na kaagad, no? Last tranche. So tingnan lang natin yung dalawa from 2019 to 2024. So 45 to 69, master teacher 3 is 51 and master teacher 4 is 57. So master teacher 1 is 46, MT2 is 51, 57, and 63. So ito naman yung education specialist 1. Equivalent EPS is 29, 16, laki ng talon, no? From 12 to 16. So, 39,000. So, Education Research Assistant 1 is 21. Education Research Assistant 2 is 33. ES, Education Supervisor 1, salary grade 21, 63. ES2, 71. Elementary Principal is 51. P2 is 57. P3 is 63. P4 is 71. Head teacher 1 is 33. Kung head teacher 4 is 43. Head teacher 5 is 46. Health Education Promotions Advisor 71. Salary grade pa ng Health Education Promotion Officer 1. 14. Malaki na rin to. Pagdating ng apat na step ang tinalong. No? PSDS is 71. ESES. Laki, no? Salary grade. Teachers Camp Superintendent, 90,000. Teaching Aid Specialist, 27. So, clothing allowance, 6,000 today. Mid-year bonus, 1 month basic salary. Ito yung nakuha natin, no? For the year. Nakuha, ito, for the, alam ko, August 30 to 2024. Year end. Cash gift is 12,000. Yung PI, hindi ko lang kung natanggap ng PPM. Anniversary bonus, 3,000. Given only during a milestone year, which is every 5 years. Ito, PBB, hindi pa ito ata nabibigay. Proportional vacation pay, hindi ko alam kung meron to talaga. Shock allowance, 2024, 2023 is ano na, shock allowance sa 7,000. Ay, 10,000 shock allowance. Ano yung natanggap natin ngayon? Hindi natin tanggap to. Kaya natanggap natin shock allowance. Pero alam ko ano, 12,000 lang. Pero ba't dito nakalagay ano? 10,000. Hindi pa yung mga ano. Pero huwag na tayo mali dyan. Masyado na mahaba. Baka sa ibang ano to, sa ibang video na lang. So yun, meron tayong confirm na po yung ano, pero hindi lang alam kung magkano yung increase. Siguro sana medyo malaki na kaunti. Huwag lang masyadong maliit. Okay? Thank you.